Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing SIM and SD cards so you don't corrupt data. Once done, set up an anti-static mat and keep a tray for screws because lost screws ruin reassembly. Use a small Phillips and a spudger to open seams slowly. You're separating clips, not prying hard. Make sure to photograph each step for reference and identify the charging jack location so you know exactly what to remove next. You should disconnect the battery connector first to prevent shorts while you work on the board. Then remove shielding and any obstructing components so you can access the jack module. If it's soldered, desolder with steady heat and wick away old solder. This protects pads. Once the old jack's out, place the new jack carefully, align pins and fasten or solder cleanly. Make sure to test the contact with a multimeter or quick battery reconnect before putting the phone back together. You reassemble by reversing your photos. Reinstall shields, reconnect the battery, and replace screws to their original positions to avoid strain. Then test charging using a known good cable and adapter while watching for heat or loose fit. This verifies electrical and mechanical integrity. If it doesn't charge, make sure to re-examine solder joints for cold joints, confirm the battery connector is seated, and ensure the port isn't misaligned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.